Boom shakalaka, the beginning of the end is near. Why the tides are turning and why this could be really good for Bitcoin. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including why equities are about to fall off a cliff and why this could be really good for Bitcoin. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click notification bell, come join us on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove. Push that like button. Now today, neutral 50 dead center, up a little bit from yesterday, down a little bit from the days before that, but definitely down from last week and last month when we were in greed. The overall market up 1.5% today, Bitcoin at 27,408, Ethereum at 1829, BNB at 315, XRP 42 cents, Cardano 37 cents, Dogecoin 7 cents, Solana $21, and Polygon 87 cents. And the top coins today, based on AI like ChatGPT, but specifically for crypto, would be Cosmos Hub, Phantom, Ocean Protocol, Ren, and VeChain. And you too can use AI to pick out the best altcoins. There's a free trial of Tokenmetrics down in the description. Now, Bitcoin today is continuing down this bearish pattern, but you can see we kind of stopped here at the $27,000 volume profile area, which was also support back in here at the end of April and also the end of March. We did bounce off of this green line, the 100-day moving average like we were talking about. And as you can see right now, Bitcoin is sitting in this nice little wedge between the 100-day moving average and the top of this bearish downtrend. But we may have a reversal on our hands, and I'm going to be going into why if you stay tuned. But before we do that, look at this. The end is near for equities, that is. S&P 500 index having a pattern strikingly similar to what happened in 2008 before it fell off a cliff, going from $1,400 to $600. Yikes, almost a third. Right now, $4,000 getting rejected from there could go down to like $1,200. Third of there, $1,400, somewhere around there. But is Bitcoin doing something unexpected? I mean, we had this textbook head and shoulders pattern. The price was supposed to go down to $24,000. That's where I set my buy orders. Oh my goodness, did Bitcoin not do exactly what the TA said it was supposed to do? Every single time. Once people know what's going to happen, it doesn't happen. So we may not hit the levels everybody was expecting for Bitcoin. Could be in for a bit of a surprise. As a matter of fact, on a smaller time frame, 4-hour candles, starting to see many positive reversal signals for Bitcoin. We have the 4-hour RSI bullish divergence where we have the price coming down and the RSI going up. We have a bull flag, nice long one right there, okay, going up, coming down, going up again. Retest of an important trend, which was support back here, and a retest of the 200-week moving average. Not displayed on there, but we'll take his word for it. Waiting for the golden $25,000 price mark could be in vain. That's right. May not hit that $25,000 territory that the head and shoulders indicated. May have just been that Bitcoin hit the first level of resistance on its way up. The first stop in previous cycles, the 38.2 fib was usually the first stop before Bitcoin took off for the rest of the bull run. You can see every single time this 8.2 line was exactly the resistance level. That's exactly $27,000 where we are. Breaking through there again, maybe that'll be support from this point forward, because here is an interesting chart correlating the Bitcoin and federal funds effective rate. When the federal funds effective rate reaches plateaus after soaring, so after it goes up and then plateaus, guess what happens afterwards? It falls off and Bitcoin goes on absolute tear. Every time it goes up, plateaus, Bitcoin goes on a tear. Goes up, plateaus, Bitcoin goes on a tear. Well, take a look at this. Goes up very sharply. Looks like it's starting to plateau to me. Is Bitcoin about to go on a tear? Well, it could be. We could have had a very nice reversal. These are the weekly candles here. So we've seen Bitcoin closed above major support. You can see it was support way back here in March and April, saying that the drop has stopped. We found support including the RSI staying above 50, indicating a bullish bias for Bitcoin. We could have a massive reversal for Bitcoin. As a matter of fact, this is one chart that I really want to see because I like the OBV. OBV is generally a leading indicator for Bitcoin. Everything else, lagging indicator. OBV, leading indicator for Bitcoin. So breakouts have been seen on both the 10 SMA, this purple line right here, and on OBV, this green circle around the blue line. Indicator months ago believe that in terms of TA, Bitcoin is very similar to 2018, where we are right now. We've had a cross of the 10 SMA, also of the OBV. Same thing here, cross of the 10 SMA and OBV. Guys, remember, this is when Bitcoin price went from $200 to $20,000. The same gains today would be from where we are to roughly $2.7 million per Bitcoin. So that being said, if you are still bearish at this moment, just stop watching my videos. But otherwise, imagine selling your precious Bitcoin 1 year before the halving. Did you know we were pretty much a year before the halving right now? Well, had you have sold a year before the halving, look at all the gains that you would have missed in every single one of these cycles. There's absolutely zero reasons to sell your Bitcoin now, especially if you bought it anywhere near that previous top. Which brings us to this. Looking at the timeline, there's only a handful of analysts who see what Bitcoin's really doing here. It works to the upside just like it works to the downside. A series of higher highs and higher lows eventually results in a parabolic rally. So we can see higher highs, parabolic rally. Higher lows, parabolic rally to the downside. Higher highs, parabolic rally to the upside. Higher lows to the downside. Higher highs, guess what? To the upside once again. Things are looking good on short, medium, and I would definitely say longer term time frames for Bitcoin. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, push that like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.